I didn't think either of these solutions were good enough. So I wanted to create a solution where I would be able to see these photos every day in such a way that it felt clean and intentional, which would allow me to clearly remember the good times I've had over the years. After staring at my fridge for way too long, I came up with some goals that would allow me to create an elegant solution. My goals are simple and are as follow. A frame that sticks to my fridge, keeps the photos from curling, looks like a real home product, and can be easily produced affordably and timely with the tools I have at home. So far, I've designed 2 versions of these frames. In the first version, I knew that the frames had to be printed without supports and fast enough to make financial sense selling them on Etsy long term. This turned into a balancing problem.